嗨，各位同学好，欢迎来到 Phonics 自然音标 Phonics 自然音标的课程。今天老师为你介绍的是 Vocabulary of the Day。Vocabulary of the Day。同样的，我们今天可以到 cn.com edition.cn.com 去寻找本日的 Headline News of the Day， 并且从中去了解一些单字的拼音技巧以及逻辑。Okay, students, let's go to the cn.com, edition.cn.com, and search for the headline news of the day. And we can probably learn some vocabularies, pronunciation, and the spelling rules. Okay, today from the top stories. The article is Classified for Years. What was strange lunar music? Top stories. Classified for years. What was strange lunar music? Okay, let's check out the story together. Okay, students, remember, if you would like to study with me with this article, if you do, just remember from the top right hand side, you will see a search menu right here. You will see a search menu. Please type the article title. The headline news title into the search menu, and we can have the same story to study with. Okay, today's topic is NASA releases recording of outer space type music from far side of the moon. NASA releases recording of outer space type music from far side of the moon. Again, NASA releases recording of outer space type music from far side of the moon. Okay, let's check out the story highlight. Recording of sounds heard on the far side of the moon have been released. Apollo 10 astronauts heard outer space type music while out of contact with Earth. The eerie noises have an earthly explanation, however. Okay, let's check out the headline news. CNN, did you hear that whistling sound too? Sounds like outer space type music. I wonder what it is. This conversation between Apollo 10 astronauts Eugene Cernan and John Young as their craft flew around the far sides of the moon remained under wraps for over 4 decades. While transcripts were released in 2008, audio of the discussion and the sounds that the astronauts were referencing is only just being made public. The Apollo 10 crew discussed strange noises heard on the far side of the moon. Weird music, out of radio contact with Earth, and all along on the far side of the moon, the astronauts were clearly not expecting to hear anything on their instruments. You hear that? The whistling sound. Whoa, says Cernan on the recording. That sure is weird music. It was so weird that the team debated whether or not to mention it to their superiors at NASA, out of fear that it could cast doubt on their suitability for future spaceflight. According to a new Science Channel series, NASA's Unexplained Flights. Okay, students, I'm going to stop right here. If you wish to learn more, you can do it yourself. Now let's jump to the note I have prepared for you guys to study. Let's check out the note. Okay, first things, let's read along with me the headline title. Are the top stories classified for years? What was strange lunar music? Are the top stories classified for years? What was strange lunar music? Are the top stories classified for years? What was strange lunar music? Okay, now we have two vocabulary words, and now we are going to discuss their meaning, usage, pronunciation, and definition. And we're using spelling bees, pronunciation and spelling improvement and skill. Let's check the first vocabulary word, classify. Classified. Classified. Definition of classify. In English, adjective, arranged in classes or categories. A classified catalog of books. More example sentences. Robert T. Stell, head gardener for Lord Carlisle at the Castle Howard, compiled a classified catalog of 197 rare plants in 1794. The second vocabulary word, sound. 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 Numb. Vibrations that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. Light travels faster than sound. More example sentences. Since light travels faster than sound, the sounder is heard after the lightning. Origin, Middle English sound. From Anglo-Norman French sound, nom, sonar, verb. From Latin sonus. The form with D was established in the 16th century. Okay, now it's a time. We're going to repeat the pronunciation and definition parts for those two vocabulary words again. And this time I want you to read along with me. Let's follow me. Classified. 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 Definition of classify. In English, adjective. Arranging classes or categories. A classified catalog of books. More example sentences. Robert T. Stell, head gardener for Lord Carlisle at Castle Howard, compiled classified catalog of 197 rare plants in 1794. Sound. 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 Numb. Vibrations that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. Light travels faster than sound. More example sentences. Since light travels faster than sound, the sounder is heard after the lightning. Origin. Middle English sound from Anglo-Norman French sound. Noun. Sonar. Verb. Latin sonus. The form with D was established in the 16th century. Okay, students, now it's time. We're going to redefine those two vocabulary words. I'm going to use a spelling for the phonics. Spelling and pronunciation improvement. Let's check the first vocabulary word, classified. 那我们来看第一个单词 classify。当然你要找它的根源，它是 class。 给大家找一下哈。那我们来看它的两个重音，在一跟三音节。一三音节我们有一个是主重音，主重音的英文就叫做 main stress， 次重音的英文就叫 secondary stress， 次重音。好，所以一三音节就是都是强音节哈，所以我们强音节就叫 strong syllable， 强音节就叫 strong syllable， 所以一三音节是 strong syllable。那当然第二个音节哈，因为没有重音，所以它是弱音节，所以我们叫 weak syllable。那在 weak syllable 这个第二音节，我们直接找到母音，补个弱母音进来，所以我们念 s， 或者我们念 c 都可以哈。那我们看第一跟第三音节，因为有重音节强音节，所以我们看它的音节的这个组合方式哈。好，我们先看第一开始 CL 开头，所以它的开头首音，开头首音就是 CL。Onset 是 CL。Nucleus 合音，母合音在 A， 好，找到第一个母音在 A 是母合音。Coda 尾音是 S， 尾音是 S， 那我们知道 nucleus 加 coda 等于 rhymes， 也就是韵音，押韵的韵哈，所以韵音在 AS， 这是第一个音节。好，那我们看第二个音节呢，一样，它有 onset， 开头首音是 F， 开头的子音哈 ，consonant 是 F，followed by nucleus， 母合音是 IE， 那当然它是去 Y 加 IED， 所以原本的是 Y， 好，我们打个星号哈，所以它的母合音是 IE。Coda 尾音是 D， 那当然去 Y 加 IED 嘛，对不对？所以尾音是 D。Nucleus and coda rhyme 就是 IED。当然这也要打星号哈，因为它有重音。好，我们来看 classify， 再来一遍哈，先看它的组合哈 ，classified，classified。好，那当然开头的子音哈，我们看它一开始子音组合哈，不好意思压到哈。好，我们看它组合 consonant CCVC， 它的开头的子结构是 consonant 子音，consonant vowel 母音 consonant。那当然取第一个母音跟尾音的组合nucleus and coda， 这时候它会形成一个母子音，只看后面这一段 vowel and consonant。但记得一些 vowel and consonant 的组合不管它是 V 加 C， 或者 vowel consonant VCC， 或 vowel consonant consonant， 不管是 V 加 C、V 加 C 加 C， 或者 VCCC、VC、VCC、VCCC， 我们都会等于 short vowels 短母音。所以这个地方是短母音，我们标个 short vowel 在这里，所以 class。那再来一个，刚刚标 class， 弱母音在第二音节。那第三音节我们看它组合呢，它是 consonant vowel consonant， 所以 V 加 V，VV 组合。那当然是后面的不发音，前面念长母音 find， 在这边标个 long vowels。所以我们再一遍哈 ，class save find。Main stress first syllable, secondary stress third syllable. First syllable, consonant, vowel, consonant. Nucleus and coda, V and C, short vowel A, S. Class, weak vowel, second syllable, classic. Last syllable, third syllable, consonant, vowel, consonant. V and V, I-E-I, long vowel I, find. Short vowel A, weak vowel I, long vowel I, classify. Again. C-L-A-S, syllable, S-I, syllable, F-I-E-D. Consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. Nucleus and coda. Short vowel A, as, class. Short vowel A, class. Weak vowel, second syllable, classer. Classer. Consonant, last syllable, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. V and V, long vowel I, I-E-I, find, find, classified. 好，我们看第二个单字 sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. 我们看哈，因为它是单音节的字，我们看它是啊。中世纪英文它的拼法是 sound， 他说在16世纪之后才加了个 d， 所以原本是 sound， 16世纪之后加了个 d， 变成 sound。所以我们看到组合呢 ，onset s 首音 s 开头子音 s， nucleus ou coda d。所以我们看母合音在 ou 啊，尾音收音的尾音啊，在 d nucleus and coda 等于 rhymes 啊，育音，所以育音在哪里 ？O-U-N-D 哦 ，coda 是 N-D 哈 ，sorry 少写了一点哈。那记得哈，那在这个地方我们讲它有一个特别的组合了哈，所以它组合是 consonant vowel vowel consonant consonant。那我们再把 sound 再写一遍 ，sound consonant vowel vowel consonant consonant。当然两个母音我们就变 VV combination 了哈。那 VV combination 的时候记得在这个地方哦，只要是 OU 它有两种念法，应该念弱母音短母音 R， 但通常念 O， 这个双 deep sounds 哈。所以我们看 consonant vowel vowel consonant consonant combination VV combination of OU make a deep sound。我们这边下个 deep sound D， 看我们的双箭头朝上，它是一个双母音，所以 O。ound， 所以这是一个 ou 哈，念 o， 先念再念 u o sound， 再一遍 sound， 好，双箭头朝上 deep sound， 好，它这个是一个特别的deep sound 的特别的双母音符号哈。那尤其是 OU 合起来，特别喜欢念这个音哈，双母音哈或双元音哈。所以我们看 sound， 我们画双箭头，好 ，consonant vowel vowel consonant consonant combination of VV OU as all as deep sound all sound again SOUND consonant vowel vowel consonant consonant combination of V and V, OU, all, adds deep sound, all, sound, sound, sound。好的，我们再把这两个单词练一下。classified, classified, classified。sound, sound, sound. OK， 以上就是今天的 vocabulary of the day 每日单字。一样的，同学们，如果你觉得 David 老师用这种 phonic 的方式，自然发音的规则，带领你进入 phonetic 音标的世界，比如用 phonic 用线形符号来表达母音的短母音 长母音、双母音、清母音的发音形式，或者用线性符号来表达子音的特殊发音形式。对你的拼音技巧逻辑有所帮助的话，欢迎大家用 Google Plus， 用 Google 加Google Plus、Google 加这位老师做好友。Friends, if you find my pronunciation videos are useful, please join me with my Google Plus. Just add my Google Plus into your friendship. My username is DavidTTIG88, and just simply use Google Plus, find my name, and join my friend circle. And also, if you wish to write me an email, my email account is davidttig88@gmail.com. I'm also using Line Communicator. My line ID is davidting1688. Feel free to send me a message. And 以上就是今天的 Vocabulary Day。同样的，如果同学们喜欢我的录影带，也可以订我的 YouTube channel。If you find my videos are useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. It's free online tutoring. And thanks for your watching. 谢谢，以上就是今天的每日单字。